Hi, this is Kevin from Concentra. So I want to show you how to set up a workflow that prevents the saving record and shows a pop-up based on the condition. When you're trying to create a workflow that will trigger either an error or pop-up message based on the field on the item record, entity record, and transaction record, you can follow this example. Let's go ahead and create the workflow. For example, let's go ahead and go to customization and workflow and new. And again, this could work on any item, entity or the transaction. We're going to do it on the work order, for example. So we'll just name it error message pop up for work order or purchase order. Let's do a purchase order. Let's do purchase order. The transaction. Again, this can work on any record. We're going to test it with the purchase order. And you can just set up, the testing if you wish, or if you want to go ahead and release it now, you could. So let's go ahead and do however you want to set it up. And always show it. Then it's going to be event-based. When it's create or view, it's going to create that. And I'm going to save it right now. So we're going to create a state one. I was thinking so we're going to go to the new action. We are going to do return user error. We'll do before submit. You can leave everything as it is. We can, use a text saying error message cannot save the record. And we're going to have to set the condition. What kind of purchase order are we going to do and things like that. Let's just do if the item, it will trigger. We can set no, nothing if you want, but if you want to use it for approval process or if on a certain item it can't be created, we could. So let's say if it can't be created anytime when we try to purchase order for, there should be something that is simple. Let's just do 1000L. And I have no idea what this record is, so let's find out what this record is first. So I'm gonna find an item that we can use and replicate. Change this. Let's see what was for this order here. So again, we can set any rules here. What I'm doing right now is I'm opening a purchase order. And anytime when the approval status is pending approval, or you can do currency is when it's the Canadian or the subsidiary, however you want to do. I'll do something very simple. I'll go ahead and remove this. I'll set up the condition where if the currency is Canadian dollar, it will show that pop-up message. So anytime when it's the currency is Canadian dollar, it's going to show this error message saying cannot save the record due to all right, this is in place. Let's go ahead and edit, and I'll try to save this record, and it should pop up the message saying I cannot save it because the currency is CAD. Let me go ahead and try to save that. Trying to save the record. Still workflow is running behind. It's lagging due to this is a test environment that I'm showing. So you see it here, error message cannot save the record due to the currency CAD. So this is how you would set the workflow to pop up an error message to prevent the saving the record. It will now let you to save the record in this case. Thank you for watching the video, and please reach out to us if you have any further questions about this video. Thank you.